तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अवर न्यू डे ऑफ ग्राफिक कोडर। तो आज हम वापस आ चुके हैं एक और नए एपिसोड के साथ। सो आज हम करने वाले हैं सी प्लस प्लस यूजर इनपुट, एक और नया टॉपिक। सो सी प्लस प्लस यूजर इनपुट है क्या? तो सी प्लस प्लस यूजर इनपुट इज समथिंग दैट we can get users input while the code is running in the backend. So as you have seen that we have used Cout to print output like this. So we have used Cout with intersection operators and it is used for output. So if we write anything in double quotes, so it will print that exact same value or text. So in Cout we have used to print output. So now we will use Syn to get users input. Cout to get users output or print output, and Syn for getting users input. Syn is a predefined variable that reads data from the keyboard within extraction operators. What is this intersection operators? As I have discussed in earlier in episodes, so now this is extraction operators, intersection operators, extraction operators. So Cout is used with intersection operators and Syn is used with extraction operators. So in the following example, the user can input a number named x and then print value of x. So in this code we have discussed about we have included library, then using namespace std and int main and return 0. That is always seen in almost all the codes. So new thing that's in this code is Cout, that is type a number, then semicolon, then cin with extraction operators and Syn x, which means input x, and then again Cout intersection operators and your number is, and then intersection operators x. What is x? Value that will be input or will be getting from user. So if you press F9 here, you can see that the code is asking for a number, which is type a number. So if we type here 2, so if we press enter, then it will declare our value 2 as x. It will assign our x a variable that we discussed here is Syn x. So int x, which x is not declared yet. So Syn x, which means x will be discussed and will be provided by the user. Like here in our output, the code is asking for a number, which is we can type anything like 2 3 4, anything that we want, but here we are typing 2 just to show you. So if we type a number which is 2, which will declare Syn as 2, int x, x is equals to 2, because user have a choice to input a number by their own choice. So if we press enter, then it will declare 2 as a x. So enter, your number is 2, which means if we have assigned a value that is x, then user have a choice to assign it a value by their own order or choice. Now we will try it again by clicking F9. Now again we will type a number 7. So if we press enter, then it will say your number is 7, because we have given a free choice to our user that is using our program or code. He can type anything in our x, so he can assign anything instead of x. So now we will discuss a little bit more about Cout and Syn. So our word is Cout, which is also predefined and it is pronounced as c out. So it is used as output and uses intersection operators, which is this. It is Cout and Syn. Syn is pronounced as c and n. It is used as an input that is provided by our user. It is used as input and it is provided by our user, and it uses extraction operators. So they both are completely different types of predefined variables that are already announced by C++. So this is it for today. So hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.